how you doing? Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? So I just installed these faux locks. This is going to be a time-lapse video. Tune into my next video for step by step how I installed these. I only used 1 pack of braiding here. All the materials that I used will be linked down below in the description box. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy.